An Amazon virtual assistant, Ava, is a professional who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to Amazon sellers. AVAs can help with a variety of tasks, including 1. Product research. AVAs can research products to find new and trending items that are likely to sell well on Amazon. 2. Listing optimization. AVAs can optimize Amazon listings by writing clear and concise product descriptions, adding high-quality images, and setting competitive prices. 3. Customer service. AVAs can answer customer questions, resolve disputes, and provide refunds as needed. 4. Marketing. AVAs can help with marketing campaigns, such as running Amazon PPC ads and creating social media content. 5. Account management. AVAs can help with account management tasks, such as tracking inventory levels, managing shipping, and processing returns. AVAs can be a valuable asset for Amazon sellers who are looking to grow their business. By outsourcing tasks to an AVA, sellers can free up their time to focus on other aspects of their business, such as product development and marketing. Here are some of the benefits of hiring an Amazon virtual assistant. 1. Increased productivity. AVAs can help you to free up your time so that you can focus on other aspects of your business. 2. Improved customer service. AVAs can help you to provide better customer service by answering questions, resolving disputes, and providing refunds. 3. Increased sales. AVAs can help you to increase your sales by optimizing your listings, running marketing campaigns, and managing your account. 4. Cost savings. Hiring an AVA can save you money on administrative, technical, and creative tasks. If you are considering hiring an Amazon virtual assistant, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Set clear expectations. When you are hiring an AVA, it is important to set clear expectations about the tasks that you need them to complete. 2. Provide training. If you are hiring an AVA who is new to Amazon, it is important to provide them with training on the platform. 3. Set regular check-ins. It is important to set regular check-ins with your AVA to ensure that they are meeting your expectations. 4. Provide feedback. It is important to provide feedback to your AVA so that they can improve their performance. By following these tips, you can find an AVA who can help you to grow your Amazon business. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.